That was really fun, being at the top of the Burj Khalifa, Red Triangle.
Yeah, thanks for inviting us, Red Triangle.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Hey guys, how's the Burj Khalifa?
It was amazing!
Wow, you guys are so lucky.
Wait, Red Triangle? Didn't you say we're going to another destination?
Yeah?
So where is the destination?
Oh, the destination is at the Burj Al Arab, which is the only 7-star hotel.
7 stars?
Do 7 stars even exist?
Yep, 7 stars.
Huh, I didn't realize that.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go!